To drape a window scarf, start by taking some measurements to determine how long you want the scarf to be. First, measure from the curtain rod to wherever you'd like the ends of the scarf to hang down. Then, measure across the window from one side of the frame to the other. Multiply each number by 2. Then, add the results together to get the length of your window scarf. For instance, if you want the scarf to hang down to 30 inches, 76 centimeters on each side of the window, double that number to get 60 inches, 152 centimeters. If your window is 60 inches, 150 centimeters across, multiply that by 2 to get 120 inches, 305 centimeters. Adding those numbers together will tell you that you need a piece of fabric 180 inches, 457 centimeters long to make your window scarf. To hang the scarf, simply drape it over the curtain rod so that the middle hangs down in front of the rod and the ends fall behind it on either side of the window. Let the middle portion of the scarf sag down slightly to form a shallow U shape. Then, adjust the scarf to make sure the ends hang evenly on both sides. Or, add an elegant twist by wrapping the middle of the scarf once around the curtain rod to create a pair of soft drapes over your window instead of just one. If you don't have a curtain rod over your window, install 3 scarf hooks just above the window frame and hang the scarf from those instead. Position the outer 2 hooks about 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters, past the top corners of the window frame on either side. And put the 3rd hook right in the middle, above the top of the frame. Measure carefully and use a level to make sure the hooks are lined up evenly. Then, calculate the length of your scarf the same way you would with a curtain rod. Hook the middle of the scarf over the central hook, then drape the ends over the outer hooks so they hang evenly on both sides of the window. To make your window scarf look a little fancier, try layering 2 or more scarves of different colors or textures. For instance, hang a sheer light-colored scarf behind a heavier, darker colored one. Or add a touch of elegance by tying decorative ribbons or ropes around the hanging ends of your scarf. Use embellishments in colors that complement the scarf, such as gold ropes with a purple or burgundy scarf.